Si... Ano yung subong?
Recognition.
Ha?
Recognition.
Recognition. Ano kayahan? May award kayahan? Siguro best in bibi. No. Best in...
There's no such award sa school.
Aria, best in sa kitchen.
Best in pa.
Best in
Best in
chan.
Tod.
Ah, okay. Si Twilight, si Applejack, right? Fluttershy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm good at this. Si Bakla. Okay. Ano na sila yaman? Si Fluttershy. Si kaning purple?
As in Twilight.
Twilight Sparkle. Okay. Anti-bad breath. Nakuha na namo ni Liling award. Congratulations. Proud of you. Makadto ko subong balik naman ko to kay Lili kay pa matapos. Si Lizzie on ko way man subong. Si Mami ato yan nag-attend.
Outstanding performance in Christian living education, leading Asian arts English, mathematics, science,
Camera for
Manol.
language, science, civics and culture, computer education, physical education,
So, congratulations.
Hi. Oh, assumption lang. Bakit ang balat?
Oo. Oh, si... Lakati.
Kita?
Yeah. Congratulations. Kita Michael.
Kamay niya.
Liz, what are you doing? Naisip mo?
11? Ito dapat 10:30 mali na tadi.
Oo ah. Liz, Lizzie. Kami ni say hi. Ate picture pa gati.
Look at all those people.
I'm so sad.
Ha?
I'm sad. I don't have an award.
Ano?
I don't have an award.
Okay lang na.
I'm sad.
It's okay. Wala ka man siya punta school eh. Tapos ka naman.
I'm disappointed.
Is it okay if I video your nose?
You like to video my nose.
Oh, this is that. Gutom ka na. Oo, nagutom na ko. Okay, bye-bye. Wala. Na. How do you feel?
I feel
Terrible.
amo niyo kung magkuha kami karon sa award.
Ah?
Release. Videoan mo kami.
Ah.
Okay.
Ay, na friendship na. Hindi na. Balaan ko.
Later, ara na.
Hambala.
Bakit ba tayo lang video na?
Yani?
Ha? Ito ka gigas ko nga. Oo, payo sa ginawa ba siya?
Okay. Ha?
Wala ka, let's go. Ayos?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Damo rin videoan mo. Mams, ano ba mo sa mga kids mo? Walang na. Dugay-dugay, nila award din sila. Ano naman ang award? Hi! Award na naman. Kaluman. Tapos na.
Kaulan na.
Beto.
Hindi naman ito. This one may one.
Beto,
Are we gonna go to the ano?
Tanan.
Are we gonna go to ano?
Oo.
Nagulog mo. We're gonna go at...
Hey, one.
We're gonna go at Jollibee?
Oo ah.
Yeah.
Mabilangin ba sa kuan ay? Si Erilian, okay, ang imo nga mga subjects, outstanding in everything, okay. Elizabeth, outstanding in everything man. Diba? Very good. Honors, Elizabeth O. Hagoren.
Tinga naman ko.
Oh, Hagoren.
Tinga naman ko na amay. Oh, abi ko.
Elizabeth.
Tinga naman ko. Amba ko lang gali. Di na lang na.
Obviously si Elizabeth, sorry. Ok-Osel ka na. Ok-Osel Hagoren.
Ano ba li Miss Kalim about your card?
Maybe sa lalo na tayo.
Ano ba li Miss Kalim about your card?
Kambara, i-remind. Yeah, ikaw.
Okay.
Ano yun?
Ano ang balda?
Para malang na ko sa Pinas.
So Elizabeth O. Hagoren, ang award niya is inspiring others with their simplicity and for being responsible in doing the task assigned to her.
Why is simplicity?
It
You will
means
be-
you are simple, you don't brag, you're simple, and you're
humble.
responsible in doing the task. Hindi nga ako suguon ka sa balay. Yeah, kapati ka. You're very good. This is a very good award. Okay? Okay, Elizabeth Hagoren man. D. Hagoren, sakto na. Okay, award in everything. Honor card. Ariel. Go, are kay Ariel. For the following accomplishments. Maintaining excellent academic standing and having the capacity to go beyond what is expected of her, particularly for doing extra research on her own. Ano
Don't
ba
cry.
silingon? Iway ko kabalo. What does it mean? Okay.
I don't know.
What silingon? Okay. Alam mo na eh.
I do more.
Oo, you do more tapos ka-research
I
on
do
your own.
more of then greatly patata.
Tapos remaining well-mannered, gentle, and positive even in difficult situations. Okay. For her sense of volunteerism, especially during Eucharistic celebrations. Baga volunteer, kagigali. Wow, epal. Appear, epal for the win.
How about me?
Consistently expressing herself in English. Wow, ga-English siya perme. Grabe ba? How come? Okay.
High five.
High five. Walang award mo uli, best in recess. Laban na. Captain May.
Subject.
Against the traffic,
Oo.
taga sumamo,
I
wagid
know,
na
I know,
ako. Pag
I
maamo na ako.
Then why did you ask?
Okay, so maklap kita, okay? Team Hagoren, 5 times ha, 5 times for the children. Team Hagoren, 1, 2, wait pa. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, wala ka cooperate. Si Mami, hindi siya Team Hagoren. Ok-Osel siya ya, Ok-Osel. Okay, mga tito, mga tita, kag tito, i-prepare nyo ng inyong mga padala sa mga prize sa mga kids.
Abroad. Gusto ko dog.
Request nyo na kay padala ko. Ano gusto nyo?
I want a puppy.
Hindi na yung papi.
Please.
Halingin dyan sa US. Bye-bye!
Hello, congrats man!
Bye-bye! Enjoy na your vacation. Dali!
Do you play Royal Rumble? No, I don't like it. It's horrible.
It's nice! O sino ano na kids yung request nyo? Continue ang request nyo.
Puppy.
Hindi na yung mga papi-papi. Ano mga papi-papi naman?
Polar bear.
Ay,
Jollibee. Please.
hindi, ang realistic bala.
Something real ba na? Oh my God. Jollibee.
Jollibee lang, okay.
No.
Your wish is my command.
No, I want a robot puppy.
Robot! Ah,
Oh, that's expensive. Ang cheap na pero.
okay ah. Sige ah.
I don't want a robot puppy. Food.
Food, wala mo lima.
Car. Car. I want car.
Waka tagay ka bayad sa karta do.
So, ang
Ano?
Ang
Ma-search ako online.
price was
Hindi.
ah,
iPhone. Kaya naguba naman ako na touch. iPhone 7. No way.
ang
7.
ang
iPhone
price
7.
nyo is staycation kita in Richmond.
Yay!
Okay.
For 2 nights.
One night lang.
One night lang ah. 2 nights so pwede na.
For
For
Matakaan na ka muna.
mas staycation kita, tapos may swimming, breakfast, tapos
Sleep.
lots of food, sleep,
Ano?
tapos
Xbox.
Xbox, okay, tita sweet.
Xbox, please. Xbox 360.
Oy,
Xbox 360 console. Stop, I'm hungry. With 2 controllers. Stop talking. Okay,
Ay.
thank you.
Tama na kada.
Tito Jo Marie,
Xbox 360. Okay.
Tita Eunice,
Xbox 360. Thank you. Wait, thank you. I'm being serious.
ako ya, ang kinadlan ko ya, simple lang ya, isa lang ya.
Ano?
I want another wife.
Yun na si Mami, yung boy mo. I'll take the divorce papers. Hindi, tani ang gift divorce papers para makuha ka mag-boy.
But you know what?
Ano?
Nagdaan mo inyo award sa school, you know, it's also
Good thing
because
you
of
did not cry.
who?
My parents.
Because of mommy.
Thanks, Ma. Masyadong tudlo sa
Si mommy ang ugta sa inyo.
Next year, I want your goal to reach the highest Lexile.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Please ikaw PR ko na.
PR?
PR?
That's BR.
Anong
I'm
BR?
Go back to school. We're going away from school.
Ma-order, tapos Jollibee, ma-quick bite lang kuya.
Try to diet ka.
Or sa McDo na lang.
Yeah.
No,
Trash?
Jollibee. Lawla. I don't like
Sige, dito kami
McDo.
ma-meet mo.
I don't like its iced tea.
11 na.
You know, Jollibee's better. Okay.
11 to 30 lang gani.
No, parang wala na lunch.
Okay.
Guys, it's
Ang balala sa ngara sa Jollibee
McDonald's is
haro.
on
Sa Jollibee haro. Jollibee ramen.
Ah,
and they don't even have cheese french fries. That's not good. The what?
instructions, dito kami ma-meet sa McDo, tapos nagpa-Jollibee pa kuya.
Tapos siya pa yung paninalino.
Toad man, namin ko, I mean just... Yak pa to.
Ano ka noon? Sa McDo.
Abo na lang mo, dagit sa Jollibee, dalong tala sa McDo.
We're a and
Okay?
I never swam there.
Mag-drive-thru na lang ta sa Jollibee mo. Lahat na lang kami simo sa salakyan.
Sige ah.
Anong, sige,
Ano muna?
mag-drive-thru?
Oo.
Mag-drive-thru? Para comfortable ka mo. Makauba pa ka mo.
Kanon na sa akin.
Pero, camera.
Bili ng camera eh.
Can you please stop it? Point. Yeah. Wow.
Siya na nag-stop by himself. Lobat.
A few moments later.
Kinapoy. Saan kuha?
Wala ko dapo ka, award. Yeah.